3, 2, 1.
When did Issa Farah stop working for Dalka? The answer is C. 2012. When did the Computer Emergency Readiness Team investigate 79 hacking incidents at energy companies? The answer is D. 2014. What is the most likely outcome of my interview with her? The answer is D. I did and succeed in the interview. Wonderland is from what Taylor Swift album that was released on October 27, 2014? The answer is B. 1989. How many members are there in the U.S. Upper House, the Senate?
The answer is D. 100.
What year did the Manchester Institution end? The answer is A. 1836. What year did oil price spikes in Iran lead to inflation? The answer is C. 1973. When was the Battle of Hastings? The answer is B. 1066. How many children did Mickey Horton father? The answer is B. 0. When gas particles collide, what kinds of collisions are these considered? The answer is C. Elastic. What year did Mexico City first host the Pan America Games? The answer is A. 1955. Shedding is when an animal The answer is A. Gets rid of its winter coat. Fingertips, how would you do this? The answer is A. Can touch people. What is the symbol for magnesium? The answer is C. Mg. In what year were the first federal elections after Eisenhower became president? The answer is C. 1954. In what year was the stage musical My Fair Lady, set in turn of the century London, made into a major motion picture? The answer is D. 1964. To make a center line in the dollar bill for origami, how would you do this? The answer is A. Fold the dollar bill in half and crease. By what year was TCM showing commercials? The answer is B. 2002. What is the number of the MASH unit in the TV series? The answer is D. 4077. What actor played the part of Samantha's dad Jim Baker in 16 Candles? The answer is C. Paul Dooley. Why did the narrator find the one immortal ugly? The answer is A. They hated their cut. Where do many of the basic life functions take place in organisms? The answer is B. Cells. What is the name of Howard Stern's female on-air sidekick? The answer is D. Robin Quivers. What is a characteristic of the described protagonists of the author? The answer is D. They were screw-ups. When was the university library closed? The answer is D. 1816. How many contestants were finalists for season 12? The answer is B. 10. What year was the centenary of California joining the Union? The answer is C. 1950. In what year did France and the UK declare war on Russia? The answer is B. 1854. What American film and stage actress, who appeared in Shock Treatment 1964, was born Betty Joan Persk on 16 September 1924 in New York City, New York? The answer is B. Lauren Bacall. What type of meal is Meghan and Kirsten craving? The answer is C. They want dessert. Why does the narrator feel panicked? The answer is C. They caught and find their engagement ring. By what year did Canadian oil sands production average 2.3 million barrels per day? The answer is D. 2014. What is a close relationship between two species in which at least one species benefits called? The answer is A. Symbiosis. The fictional character John Rambo, portrayed on the big screen by actor Sylvester Stallone, belongs to what U.S. Special Forces? The answer is C. Green Berets. Which characteristic is shared by all members of Arthropoda and Chordata phyla? The answer is C. Jointed limbs. To split a sheet of wood into two equal sections, how would you do this? The answer is A. Use a table saw to carefully split the wood. What could one say about the narrator as technical expertise? The answer is D. The narrator is tech literate. Was the girl really sincere? The answer is D. She just wanted to use me. A woman in a black shirt is dancing. What happens next? The answer is D, is twirling a baton. In what year was the politician after whom Northside High School was previously named born? The answer is A, 1808. What year were CDs changed so that they could store data? The answer is A, 1982. What may be the reason for citizens owing so much money? The answer is D, credit card debt. In the 13-tile variation of Mahjong, which of the following is a possible winning hand? The answer is A, 4 pongs and a pair of identical tiles. A town in northern Arkansas experienced colder than normal temperatures during part of the winter. Which change was most likely responsible for this? The answer is A, a southward dip in a jet stream. When did the Victoria and Albert Museum and the Royal Institute of British Architects start a formal relationship? The answer is D, 2004. How should you tighten knots when making a paracord cross? How would you do this? The answer is A, use needle nose pliers to pull the cord tight. Ocean water releases dissolved carbon dioxide into the atmosphere when what happens to the temperature? The answer is C, it rises. What is the meaning of the very popular name Mark? The answer is D, warlike. What does an average single fetus acquire at the age of 3 months? The answer is C, fingerprints. In video game slang, what does the acronym NPC stand for?